And they taste like toothpaste. Good morning. It's not actually really morning. It's like 11 o'clock.
We slept in and we missed breakfast.
But that's okay because we're going to
BUN, Hanoi 26.
Oh, that's very good.
Yes, and we're going there for bun, which is this like sausagey kind of, it looks like a dumpling to me, but no one said it is one. And it comes with rice noodles or vermicelli noodles and some soup, and it looks really, really good, and we're really excited for lunch. I am so hungry because we haven't eaten since like 5:30 yesterday afternoon.
Okay, Leah learned the secret for crossing the street.
You just have to go. They will stop for you.
Yeah, if you hesitate, then you're
You have to put yourself out there a little bit and then just kind of start walking in a safe space. You know, like don't just walk out in front of a car, but like you just have to go. You just have to move your body.
And they'll stop. Just like in America, they will halt. Apparently our lunch spot is through here.
Sausage is good, but I don't know what's going on. So we also have soup, we have noodles, we have herbs. So I think just all together, I'm gonna add chilies. It's really good though. I don't know what part of this is the bun, but it's really tasty. So although I did like a lot of research on like where to come get the best, I don't know. I don't think we ate it right. So I didn't know what to expect really, and I feel like I'm like confused about if we got the right thing. But like the broth is really sweet, which I did not expect. And I thought there was gonna be like more like fried sausage things, but overall it was pretty tasty. But I don't know if I can get it again. So Vietnam has been a journey so far, and like finding the food that we want that's not pho or banh mi is like, seems to be a little bit tricky. So we got bun here, which is one of like the best bun places, and we were very confused the whole time. And then we went up to pay and I asked for 2 spring rolls to go, and I got like
the whole thing, bun
the whole thing, more bun. So now we're gonna walk to the Botanical Gardens and we're gonna eat our
spring roll.
Plus 2 spring rolls? I think he gave me 2.
I need a haircut too.
So we just reached the Botanical Garden and Zoo. We're still in the parking lot, so it's not as pretty as it will be. Hello.
So this is like a lot more of a zoo than I thought it would be. They have white tigers and like so many different animals. I thought there were like 10 animals, and then the rest was just a botanical garden. And we were gonna be in the garden, it was gonna be super lush, but so far it's like super zooey.
Yeah, we haven't really found the Botanical Garden yet, so that's what we're trying to find now.
I thought it was at the back, but we were at the back and the river's right there, and I don't know. Do all zoos have a Ferris wheel? Like we walked by this like 3 times, I didn't even look up. Like, what? It says amusement park, zoo, and botanical garden, all in one, right next to the river.
Triple threat.
So we have been like walking in the jungle slash zoo park for almost an hour, and we don't know where we are. And where is the botanical garden?
We still haven't found it. And I feel like for most people it's like such an easy thing to find.
That's why we came here. Like I don't even know how we got in the zoo or why we're here.
We didn't come for the zoo, although we knew it was connected, and so if you buy a ticket, you go to everything.
I didn't know that.
But I knew that. But we didn't, I don't know where the Botanical Garden is. We're still looking.
crazy. It was like built a long time ago, but it has all this vegetation everywhere, so it's like a rustic feeling. But like, I don't know. It's just.
It has an ancient
feels
feel
like
to
a
it.
zoo.
Yeah. I'm gonna mess it up. I'm gonna mess it up. Ah. Okay. I feel like that's enough.
Dip your egg roll in the soup.
I got it.
And it's like dipping lettuce in ranch.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. This is so flavorful. Only bad thing is we keep getting bit by these bugs. These little black bugs. So I was really, really, really excited about these.
They're blueberry ice cream flavored Oreos.
And they taste like toothpaste. So, do not recommend. I was gonna eat the whole pack right now because I was like, oh, I need dessert. But, not happening. Leah found the jackpot. Okay, so good news, we actually found the Botanic Gardens. It was in the entrance that we were supposed to come in.
And we didn't.
We walked around the other side. Like, how often do they clip these mini trees? Like, they are a novelty back home, but I don't know how often they clip them. So if you know, can you please tell us in the comments, like, how much? Leah said it's every day, but
I don't know anything.
to Cumin and Saigon. Beautiful. I honestly thought they were fake. So this is just like that. And now it seems that we're in the American desert. It's like the West.
I've never seen this type of cactus though.
I found a friend in Leah.
Hello.
You know what's really interesting in Vietnam that I haven't talked about yet and I keep forgetting is that they don't like power lines. Like, they don't like power lines being up in the air. So these huge power boxes on top of concrete pillars throughout the city, I don't really know what they do. I don't know if the power lines are under the street, but if you do see power lines, they all come together, which is like a major difference from when we were in Bangkok and there was like, I mean, my whole arm width of like power lines. Like, they were just all over the place, everywhere. It was not uniform, which I mean, didn't bother me. It was cool, but here, I guess they don't like power lines. Alright, we live in a new age where strollers are obsolete. This car is controlled by a remote, and the dad's just chilling out walking.
Remote control Barbie car.
It's carrying 3 people.
I could use a real hot bowl of fun this hot weather.
We've been sweating for like 8 hours, but it's good.
I want my insides to sweat.
Second time today. Okay, so I was drinking my milk tea and I realized I know why they don't have desserts here. Because everything is already so sweet. Like, if you had a brownie, this would still be sweeter. It would just be like eating normal bread. So like, why even do that? Just make sugar in everything that you make. So I'd like to point out that this is 2 cents, but it's 200. Like,
Everything's in thousands.
Yeah, inflation has made everything go up so much. How much is $1?
23,000.
So 23?
That's 2.
So more than this.
Yeah. Maybe 2 of these.
So there,
plus
and there are no
some.
coins.
No.
Wow.
It's very confusing.
Pate on there.
Pate.
And then butter.
This one, yes.
And then you put the shawarma meat. And then what is that?
I have no idea.
And then vegetables. Cucumbers, onions,
Chili.
and carrots. And then he puts some spicy chili.
Chili.
And then some fresh chilies. And then he warms it up.
Yeah.
I I just want to say that it has been Christmas for 2 months here now. They still have Merry Christmas up on all of the major signs. Like what? We just come back. We thought we were gonna end the vlog, but we are warriors. This is a new city, and we're gonna go back out.
I'm so tired.
She's gonna make it. She's on her last leg, but she's quick again.
My feet hurt.
This is the rainforest bar, and this one's Egyptian. Thank you guys for running around with us. This crazy day was just all over the place. We didn't really have a plan, but it was still
fun.
Awesome.
Other animals.
Giraffes and the flowers together.
Monkeys, deer, snakes.
So if you're over 9 feet tall, you're gonna pay more. Got it. Okay. I just love it. It feels like a Hollywood set.